Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.